Can you become fluent in English in just 7 days? Of course not, but in the next 7 days, you can build a strong foundation that can help you to improve your English and help you to speak English easily. So in this video, I will share with you simple 7-day English study plan that beginner can actually follow, and so make sure to stay until the end because day 4 is the biggest mistakes most beginner avoid, and it slows down their English speaking progress. So whatever plan I will share, just listen carefully and follow them for the next 7 days. So our day 1 is listening and watching every day. So our first step, our first goal is listening and watching videos for 50 to 20 minutes. You can watch easy English videos or short conversation or beginner friendly podcast. There are a lot of podcasts available on YouTube. So you can watch and listen those videos. And don't worry if you don't understand everything, because also whenever I watch a English movie I don't understand everything. So what I do, I watch and listen with subtitles. So exactly you have to do is, if you don't understand everything, then you can add subtitles, right? Because subtitles help us to understand better. So this is for day 1. Day 2 is shadowing practice. Now take your favorite speaker's video, watch and listen carefully, and observe how they speak, their style, the way they speak, their pronunciation. So simply you have to copy their pronunciation or their style. So watch video, listen, and immediately copy their tone, right? So this is the fastest way to improve your English speaking skills. Shadowing is the one of the best method. When I was beginner, I used to shadow a lot, and I used to shadow Priyanka Chopra because when I watch her video, I feel energetic. I don't know why, because she speaks like fantastic. So I always copy her video. Now you are ready for a habit that will help you to stop translating in your head. So day 3 is think in English. Use simple sentences about your daily life. For example, I'm getting ready for my school, college, or work, or I'm washing utensils, I'm watering the plant, or I'm going outside. So the goal is to train your brain to think in English, right? And I have also made a video about how you can think in English, so you can also watch. But here's the habit that most beginners avoid. Day 4 is speak out loud. Now take one topic and speak about it for 2-3 minutes continuously without stopping, without pausing. So you can speak about your hobbies, your family members, your village or city, or there are a lot of topics. Take one, choose one topic and speak for 2-3 minutes continuously. And you can speak in front of mirror, or you can even record your voice, and after recording your voice you can listen and find your mistakes and correct them. So speaking part is one of the most important part. Without speaking, we can't improve our English, right? Day 5 is to learn new words with sentences. Now, learn 5 to 10 words, and don't memorize random words. Just learn daily new sentences which we can use in our daily life, right? For example, run and walk and cook. Like this you can learn daily use words, but not just alone, learn with sentences. Six is grammar. Now you have listened, most of people say you don't need grammar if you want to learn English. Yeah, it is right, but not right. Because if I talk about mine, so I have also learned grammar, so I will not suggest you to don't learn. Grammar is like backbone of English. So, but you don't need to learn all the grammar rules, only basic. Only basic grammar you need to learn, like tenses, uh, present tense, past tense, future tense, and preposition or modals. That is enough for beginners. So you can learn grammar, not too much, but tenses, preposition, modals. Now day 7 is very important. It's test day. So day 7, what you have to do is you have to test yourself. As I said in the beginning, record yourself in day 1, and after that record yourself again in day 7. So compare both video, how was your English and how is your English. So if you follow this plan, then definitely you will improve your English, not too much but little. So these are all for today. If you follow this 7-day plan, then you can improve your English. But here I will not claim that you can become fluent in English in just 7 days. It is not possible. But if you follow, because English is a language and every language takes time, and if you follow these with patience and continuously, then you can achieve your goal. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.